What is going on, YouTube?
This is your captain speaking.
And I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I got something very special for y'all today. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be about getting your drip on for less. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to enhance your aesthetic without breaking the bank. That's right, folks. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own ripped jeans from scratch and tie-dye bleach your black shirts. Now, a lot of you may be wondering, why would I need to do that? Now, you don't need to do it, but if you want to enhance what you already have, I say it's a great option. You know, ripped jeans are always a good look, and I think tie-dye shirts, especially when they're black, I think it's another good look, and it's simple to do, it's affordable, and I'm gonna show you how to do that today. Now, before I get deep into this video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, because that would really help my channel grow and help me know what I need to do that y'all wanna see. So we gonna stop all this talking, and we're gonna get straight into the video, because today I'm gonna show you how to drip more for less. Let's get into it. So some things that you're gonna need for today's video are a shirt, a pair of jeans, a piece of cardboard, some thumbtacks, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver, and rubber bands. And so now, to achieve this look, ladies and gentlemen, first you're going to need to go on a surface that is preferably bleachable, and you're going to pinch the middle of the shirt and turn it in a clockwise motion, kind of similar to the motion you use when using a can opener. And you're going to do this until your shirt is completely circular, like a swirl pattern. And now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the next step is quite simple. You're going to take your rubber bands and divide your shirt into as many sections as you choose. Okay, so this arguably is one of the best parts of the entire process, bleaching the shirt. So after you've made your sections, now you just pour bleach on the shirt in the individual sections, or you can go crazy like I did. Either way, it's up to you. I'd say experiment and then try on a couple different shirts, and whichever you like the best, go with that. Look how our beautiful model's dressing these jeans. We're going to show you how you can take these jeans from drab to dram in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, because I promise I won't disappoint. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your cardboard and place it inside the leg that you're going to work on with your jeans. I'm starting with the left leg. You can start with the right if you choose to do so. But place that cardboard down so you're on a hard surface and you don't scratch up any other surfaces that you really care about within your home. And so now, as you can tell by the blue pin marks on the jeans, these are the indications where your distresses will be. I suggest looking at another pair of jeans that you enjoy the distresses of and using that as a template to make your own. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get either a thumbtacks, a screwdriver, or another sharp object, and you're going to begin going in a horizontal motion from right to left or left to right, simply distressing your jeans. It's fairly simple, ladies and gentlemen, but it is quite time consuming, so I suggest you turn on some jams, get in a comfortable position, and begin the work it's going to take to turn you from drab to dram.
cry no more. And we won't have to cry no more.
And so now I'm at the portion of the jeans where I'm ready to make the distress for my knee. And so what you're going to do is follow what I'm doing and cut. Use your scissors to cut a slit big enough for where your knee is. And again, I have these blue marks on these jeans to indicate where I want my distresses to be. And so to begin to make the distress for the knee, I begin to rip it and open it up wide enough for my knee to fit through. And you're just going to continue the same motions you were using to distress the other portion of the jeans. I'm going to be using my scissors and in the left to right, right to left, horizontal motion. I'm going to be distressing the seams, causing rips and tears until the jeans are the desired distresses that I want. Again, very simple concept, but let me warn you, it is time consuming.
And we won't have to cry no more.
So I finished the jeans. The shirt is still drying. I'm not gonna lie to you. My hand is really tired. Look at the cardboard, y'all. Look at that. Like, I was going hard with that screwdriver, bro. So this is pretty much it. If you don't have, like I said, a seam ripper, you can use something like a screwdriver, something like a pair of scissors, a kitchen knife. You know, all those things, as you can see, work effectively. And so when the shirt dries, probably in the morning, I'm gonna give you guys a look of the final fit. So stay tuned for that.